Okay, so this next step, I have chose these 3 colors, and you can use any colors you want. Transparent red, fluorescent pink, and light apricot. And I love the way these colors work together. And I am just going to smush a little color on this icing because cake should be colorful. And I am not doing a whole lot. I'm going to add some fluorescent pink, making little circles, but I'm not actually, you know, you don't actually have to make a full circle. You could just do a little U. And this apricot really shows up well with these colors. So this is where you go over, you know how I told you to leave some space? We want our icing to be fluffy. So we want to just kind of forget those boundaries. Okay, so now let's talk about this little dollop of a heart. We're going to pretend it's a nice pretty candy, and I'm going to add in some paint on top of it. I don't really want to cover it a whole lot. I don't want it to be a perfect heart either. It's a little bit collage, a lot of it paint. So I'm going to take these 3 colors and just kind of dash on it a little bit. You know, give it some roundness. So now we've got this icing, really pretty. I want to take some of this apricot and white. And I've still got those other colors. Oh, let me clean my brush. I say that, but my water's green. Okay, so I'm going to take some white, some fluorescent pink, and still got a little bit of that green in it. And I want to add this apricot. You get this kind of corally. I don't know if it's actually coral, and the green is not necessary in this. But I just want to make some dots with it, some dashes. It's kind of colorful and pretty. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. It's almost creamsicle. And then they've got these words showing. You can choose to leave those. I just kind of, I like to add little dots. There's some dashes. Okay, the next step will be Posca. One thing that you could do here before we move on is add some white, because this is dry. Maybe make some more straight-ish lines. I find that when I'm drawing a line, if I look where I want to go, not where I'm drawing, but you do kind of have to be careful to avoid your cupcake here. You kind of get a straighter line. So if I'm drawing a line starting from here and I'm going there, I'm looking here while I draw. And it is not, you know, we didn't get out the ruler. Just realized you can probably not see some of this. And you'll see where I had taken that marker, the permanent marker, and I use navy, but it shows up purple in this combination. You can see right here that kind of bleeds through, and I'm okay with that. If that's not something you're okay with, use chalk, use a color pencil. You got options. Okay, we'll see you next time.